Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade salsa dip. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 5 ripe Roma tomatoes, 1 small white onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For a little kick, grab 1 jalapeno pepper or a serrano if you prefer more heat. Make sure you have a food processor or a good knife and cutting board. Now, let's prepare your produce. Begin by washing all your vegetables thoroughly. Roughly chop your tomatoes, onion, and pepper into manageable pieces for your food processor. Remember to remove the seeds from your pepper if you want less heat. Next, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic and finely chop about 1/4 of a cup of fresh cilantro. These steps are crucial for flavor. It's time to blend everything together. Place your chopped tomatoes, onion, pepper, minced garlic, and cilantro into your food processor. Pulse the mixture a few times until you reach your preferred consistency, chunky or smoother. Then, add the juice of 1 fresh lime, about 1 teaspoon of salt, and a small pinch of ground cumin. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed for perfect balance. Finally, transfer your delicious homemade salsa into an airtight container. It's important to refrigerate the salsa for at least 30 minutes before serving. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld together, creating a more robust and satisfying taste experience. Serve your amazing salsa with crispy tortilla chips or as a vibrant topping for your favorite dishes. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.